Hey everyone, welcome back. So today is going to be a quick video because I just want to tell you something about how much I dislike a specific lipstick. And y'all might hate me for it, but I do not like the NYX Cosmetics Shine Out Loud lipstick. I hate it. It does not work for me no matter what I do. I've tried all the things. Whatever you think you are going to suggest, I promise you I have tried it. But it just does not work for me. Thin layers, exfoliated lips, prep. I mean, I've only been wearing it for 4 hours. And look at this. You know, I have talked, I've drank water, I've eaten lunch, and in 4 hours, it looks like this. This is not like what it advertises, And I've had it for a year and I've tried it multiple times, and no matter what I do, this is what it ends up looking like. So if it works for you, great, but this goes on my list of transfer resistant lippies that are liars. For me personally. Different things work for different people, and that is okay. This does not work for me. So it came in a set with a matching lip liner, the Line Loud lip pencil. Also not a good product. It is so dry when you are putting it around your lips. It is literally dragging the skin with your lips. And it's not soft, so you have to push into your lips to get it to even apply. Maybe I got a bad batch. Maybe, this set that I got, that's why it was on clearance, because it was a bad batch. Who knows? But, I've had it for a year, tried it for a year, and it's a no-go for me. Sorry. That is all I have to share. I will see you all next time. Have a good day.